Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC P0237, which refers to the turbocharger boost sensor circuit low voltage issue for the Honda Accord 2023 and onwards. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the turbocharger boost sensor output voltage has fallen below a specified threshold. In this case, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an abnormality and stores the DTC. Understanding this code is crucial for efficient troubleshooting, ensuring optimal engine performance and maintaining vehicle reliability. The turbocharger boost sensor is pivotal for managing engine boost pressure, which directly influences vehicle power and efficiency. Let's delve deeper into its functions and the diagnosing process. The turbocharger boost sensor is responsible for monitoring the boost pressure in the intake manifold. This component plays a vital role in providing accurate feedback to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, enabling it to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing accordingly for optimal engine performance. The sensor is located near the turbocharger in the engine compartment, making it accessible for inspection and testing. The PCM, also situated in the engine bay, interprets the sensor's signals to maintain the engine's air-fuel ratio properly. If the boost sensor output voltage reads low, the PCM interprets this as a fault, leading to the storing of DTC P0237. Understanding the location and function of these vital components is essential for effective diagnostics and repairs. When diagnosing DTC P0237, several potential causes should be considered. Firstly, the turbocharger boost sensor itself may be producing lower voltage output than expected due to its internal malfunction. Secondly, there could be issues related to the wiring or connections, such as open circuits or shorts that disrupt normal signal transmission between the sensor and the PCM. Finally, if all other components test normal, the PCM itself may be at fault, leading to inaccurate readings and triggering the DTC. Identifying the specific cause requires thorough inspection and testing of the related components as detailed in the diagnostic procedures. DTC P0237 may manifest through various symptoms that are crucial for identification. A likely symptom includes reduced engine performance, which manifests as sluggish acceleration or lower power output due to improper air-fuel ratios resulting from inaccurate boost pressure readings. Another common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as an important alert to the driver that a malfunction has been detected. Additionally, decreased fuel efficiency may occur as the engine struggles to maintain optimal performance levels, resulting in increased fuel consumption. Recognizing these symptoms can lead to early diagnosis and prevent more severe engine issues. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0237, start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the systems to initialize. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, check the TC boost pressure sensor value. If the voltage reading is less than 0.23 volts, this confirms the existence of the issue and necessitates further testing. This step is crucial as it provides immediate information on the sensor's operational status and helps determine the next necessary measures to address the error code. For the second troubleshooting step, first ensure the turbocharger boost sensor connector, 3P, is disconnected. This isolation is essential for accurate testing without interference from other components. Next, conduct an inspection on the turbocharger boost sensor by measuring the unit output voltage with the ignition set to the on mode. The expected normal condition is about 5.0 volts. If the voltage output is within this range, then the sensor is functioning correctly, and the problem lies elsewhere. However, if the output voltage is outside this range, the sensor is likely faulty and requires replacement as part of the repair process. In the third troubleshooting step, proceed by disconnecting the PCM connector, B101P. Before disconnecting, remember to jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait over 1 minute for accurate circuit readings. Once disconnected, inspect the VCC2 circuit for an open circuit condition by checking resistance. A normal reading should be less than 1 ohm. Then inspect the P3 circuit for any shorts to ground. A normal test would show more than 1 mega ohm. Identifying the status of these circuits will help narrow down the issue, whether it's in the wiring or an issue with the PCM itself. The fourth troubleshooting step is to test the functionality of the PCM itself. If previous inspection steps have ruled out the sensor and associated wiring as potential issues, the likelihood of PCM malfunction increases. Use diagnostic tools to perform a comprehensive check on the PCM's operational status. If the PCM is confirmed to be faulty and does not respond correctly with the boost sensor inputs, it will need replacing. This final step is crucial to ensure that the vehicle's engine management system operates optimally once the repairs are completed. After completing repairs related to DTC P0237, it's important to verify that the issue has been resolved. Start by using the diagnostic tools to clear any DTC codes associated with the fault. Following this, conduct a test drive to validate that the vehicle operates smoothly and without performance issues. During the drive, monitor the sensor values via the HDS to ensure that they fall within the normal ranges under various engine conditions. This final verification step ensures that the repairs made have effectively resolved the original issue and that the vehicle is functioning as intended. To prevent the recurrence of issues like DTC P0237 in the future, implementing a schedule for regular preventive maintenance is key. Periodically checking the turbocharger boost sensor and its connections can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Additionally, inspect the integrity of wiring related to the sensor and PCM to avoid shorts or disconnections that can lead to erroneous readings. Keeping the engine bay clean and free of debris ensures that all components function without obstruction. By adhering to these maintenance practices, you can maintain optimal engine performance and extend the lifespan of the vehicle's components. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0237 involves understanding the critical roles of the turbocharger boost sensor and the PCM, as well as methodically following the outlined troubleshooting steps. Each step provides significant insight into whether the problem lies with the sensor, wiring, or the PCM itself. Successfully diagnosing and resolving this issue not only enhances the vehicle's performance, but also prevents further complications down the line. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance strategies ensures ongoing reliability. Engaging in regular checks and keeping components in optimal condition is essential for preserving the performance of the Honda Accord and sustaining its longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.